everyone. Welcome to another segment of Ms.Whitaker.Education, and today we are going to be using musiclab.chromexperience.com, and the application is called Songmaker. So today I wanted to just pull up an example of a code or a song that is already completed, so we can see how the individual code blocks and the code grids interact within this programming code that we've made. So sort of a basic summary of how to use this application is that each box like this, if you can see, you hear that? Each block is different colored to represent a different sound or instrument, and that is run through a software engineer code. And then from there, we have our control panel on the bottom. Let's see, we can click on these to get a whole different variety of instruments. In this example, the grid represents incrementing note values. So higher pitch is illustrated the higher up on the grid we go, and vice versa with lower. You can hear that the first button I touched was lower than the second button, so we can understand that that would be how that would work. And then we just return that back to something like that. So you can alternate the blocks like this, and you can also add percussion here. And this is important to know because we can understand how all of these smaller coded blocks, when run through a system like this, we can combine it. When we are clicking on these little grids, it seems like we're not doing much, but we are coding. We are giving the computer instructions that with I want a woodwind instrument. By clicking on this, I want a woodwind to play at this part of the song at this pitch. You are giving your computer instructions from blocks to grids to run an entire coded simulation. So that is how you would start beginning to create your own. You can also adjust the tempo. It's sort of a sliding screen here. So you can take the cursor and either create a slow tempo. This is the play button, so it would be a slower tempo. Middle would just be average. And then really quickly slide all the way over like this, and then it would go like this. And this is important to realize because it allows us to customize our own code and create our own song using the different parts in Songmaker. It's pretty straightforward. Mike, if you want to record something of your own, settings if you want to adjust any of these codes, if you want to start from the beginning, or just reverse a step you've made, you can press undo or just click on that block you want gone. So say I added this block and I realized, oh, I want to do it lower. I can just do that and just click that block gone. And then obviously at the end, you press save to save your project. So that is going to be all for Songmaker. Thank you for watching and enjoy.